Hey guys, January 1 and malinis ang simula. Um, Actually, di pa tapos ang holiday kasi meron pang reunion tong family ko dito sa bahay ng in-laws namin. And I just wanted to share a video every day dito sa Pausalud Project. Kumbaga, forgive me no kung medyo parang wala pa sa wisyo masyado yung mga video dito, but as you know, I like to talk. I just wanted to share something on my heart and on my mind today, which is uncertainties. Um, Even for me, no, even and a lot of us, even if may mga trabaho tayo na patatagal na tayo nagtatrabaho, kumbaga kahit yung mga stable na yung mga buhay, they still feel uncertainties. Kumbaga, no, parang medyo may kaba pa rin. This year is the January 1. I just wanted to share what I do. Actually, dun sa channel ko, yung sa Pauka Sports, yun talaga yung dun ako kilala, like what I've always been saying here. Sometimes I feel uncertain as well kung ano ba yung gagawin ko, kung ito bang channel ko aabot ba by the end of the year. Oo. Obviously umabot hanggang 2024 na ngayon, January 1. And so this year, of course, we have better goals, bigger goals, and we want to do something different, we want to do more. And I'm sure ganun din kayo, pero naiisip natin paano natin gagawin yun with the things around us, na parang di mo alam kung may manonood, di mo alam kung mawawala yung channel mo, kung mahahack ba yan. Parang sa trabaho, di natin alam kung ano ba, kung magkakatrabaho pa ba tayo, kung mapopromote ba tayo, kung ma-achieve ba natin yung mga bagay na gusto natin i-achieve. Isa lang kasi yung gusto kong i-share na ginagawa ko rin. Siguro napapansin nyo to dun sa channel ko. This is regardless. Sa buhay kasi natin, there are things that we cannot control. Merong mga, example ako, merong mga nagagalit dahil umuulan, bumabagyo, bumabaha. You know, those are things that unfortunately, as of right now, din talaga natin makokontrol yan kasi that's nature miski sa trabaho, no? Mga nakikipagpagalingan tayo. Kunwari sa YouTube, may mga magagaling na YouTuber ngayon. We cannot control them kung talagang sila yung gusto panoodin ng tao. We cannot control them kung ano yung gusto nilang sabihin. Yung mga haters mo, hindi natin makokontrol kung anong sasabihin nila. But there's one thing that you can control, which is yourself and what you do about it. And this is where it comes yung uncertainties sa bagay. Kasi we're always uncertain about the result. And it's true kasi hindi naman natin alam minsan kung tama ba yung strategy natin. Well, of course, we can make yung kumbaga informed strategy of informed action plan and goals. And if you have that, that's a thing you can control, and your result will probably be positive. So, ang sinasabi ko lang, when you want to do something, even if it's uncertain, there's things that you can control, which is yourself. So kahit na kahit na ang dami mga bagay na hindi mo makontrol, paulit-ulit na ako. What I'm just saying is that parang just do your work every day and just be consistent about it. Kumbaga sa YouTube, kahit na walang manood, just keep doing it. Makukuha mo rin yung rhythm mo, makukuha mo rin yung tama. What's important is that you never forget how your goal, and you keep doing it. Kasi ganoon naman talaga if you don't stop, that's the secret. You don't stop, you keep doing it, you just, kumbaga, ano lang, subok lang ng subok, trabaho lang ng trabaho, because those are things you can control. Obviously, kung nagpe-fail ka, and you keep doing the same thing, you gotta change something. Babaguhin mo yung strategy mo. So, yun lang. Siguro, I just, yun yung feeling ko kasi ngayon Parang feeling ko parang, ano bang gagawin ko this year? The boxing part, wala masyadong mga boxingerong, wala tayong world champion sa sports, no? Yung NBA, yung ginagawa ko sa National Basketball Association, di pa nagpipick up hanggang ngayon, di pa rin masyado nagpipick up, unless of course may mga may mga laruang Gilas Pilipinas. So sabi ko, what will I do? So that's why I'm feeling uncertain for January 1. But it doesn't mean that we are disheartened. Ibig sabihin lang, there are new challenges, and with the uncertainty, there's one thing that we're certain, yung sarili natin. We have to be certain that we don't stop, and we keep on believing in ourselves and just do it consistently. Siguro yun lang. Gusto ko lang i-share today. At parang diary na itong nangyayari sa akin, ano. Please, ano po, ngayon kasi wala pa ako sa bahay namin eh. Wala pa ako sa Manila, kaya ganito yung setup ko. But obviously, siguro gagawin ko to sa pag nasa studio na ako. Ngayon lang ito muna. Para medyo iba-iba naman yung feel. Tsaka hindi ko nagagamit itong ano ko eh. Itong gadget na to. So anyway, Happy New Year po sa inyo lahat. Just wanted to share my feelings for January 1.